Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will compare OnePlus Ace3 and OnePlus 24. Guys, both have recently launched and both have same price and both have almost same display and size. So guys, first we compare the price because it varies from country to country. So OnePlus Ace3 price in India 31k and OnePlus 12R price in India 40k, and the official price of Ace3 is $370 and the official price of OnePlus 12R $599. And as you can see, there is a much difference in the price. So guys, now let's talk about the display. OnePlus Ace3 has 6.78 inches display and same display. Both have same display and both have same AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate, and both have almost same PPI density and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the screen. So guys, as you can see, both have 12GB RAM, both have 256GB storage, and both are the 5G network, and both have guys fingerprint under display and face lock system, and guys both have NFC also. So guys, now talk about the camera. So OnePlus Ace3 and OnePlus 12R both have triple same camera, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and OnePlus 12R have the same 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and you can record 4K at 30 fps in OnePlus Ace3 and OnePlus 12R, and both have 16 megapixel selfie camera. And now talk about the chipset. So OnePlus Ace3 have 8th generation 2 chipset as similar as OnePlus 12R, and both have same battery capacity, 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt walk fast charge. So guys, almost they have same features, same display, same size, same performance, and same battery time and same RAM and storage. So but there is a difference of the price. So guys, what is my suggestion? You can buy OnePlus Ace3 because it has same camera as OnePlus 12R, even same performance, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and same battery life, and almost same features you will find in OnePlus Ace3. Same feature as OnePlus 12R. So as Ace3 price is 31k and OnePlus 12R price is 40k, so there is a difference of 9k, and now you can decide either OnePlus Ace3 or OnePlus 12R, which one is best. Tell me in the comment section, I will waiting for your reply. So guys, I think OnePlus Ace3 is best because it has same feature, same display, everything is same as OnePlus 12R, and guys, in this way you will save 9,000. So guys, this is all for now. If you have any query, any question, tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.